Welcome to Dishes with Del. If you hadn't guessed it, my name is Del, and I thought maybe a new little introduction was needed. So just in case you're new around here are some of the things that happen in this little corner of the internet. I love nothing more than using a sad vegetable or a leftover from the fridge. Have you got a sad old chilli? Or maybe some old veggie trimmings? Well, how about turning them into these? Oh. Yeah. If you're looking for any great recipes that cover stuff like that, head to the description. You'll find a playlist down there, and hopefully you'll get some great ideas for things that you never thought of using. Also, often I cover budget because I think that everyone should have good food that doesn't cost the world and tastes downright delicious. Welcome back to Savvy Suppers, where I head to the supermarket, spend under $50 and show you how to cook banging dinners that stretch into lunches too. The cost of living is wild here in NZ, so let's make every dollar count without eating boring food. And that's today's shopping, and it came in at $43.28. So let's make this first tasty dinner. And with all them things mashed up and mixed in between, you get a whole load of other great recipes. Do you love a crispy, crunchy hot chip, but don't always want to get them deep fried ones? Well, I'm going to show you how to make this in the air fryer. This week we're covering broccoli. I love it so much that I've made it into 5 epic dishes. Do you have all the herbs and spices in the world but still find yourself going out and buying pre-made blends? If you have been here for a while, you might be wondering why it's nearly the end of January and I haven't posted a video yet. Things have been busy here at Dishes with Del HQ. I don't know if you know, but on my website you can sign up to my newsletter, and in that newsletter I tell you all about things that don't make it here to YouTube. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to that newsletter, because if you live here in New Zealand, especially down here in the south where I am, you never know. You might be able to come to one of my upcoming workshops. That's right, Dishes with Del is going out to the people and live into the community, which I am absolutely pumped about. I can't wait to meet people, talk to people, and see what wonderful ideas you guys all have too. Plus, if you're part of my newsletter, you'll also find out about other stuff that happens here. Like, for instance, when I bring out a new book maybe, or you might want to deep dive into something and maybe have a look at one of my workshops or cooking classes or something, again, that doesn't happen here on YouTube. So make sure, head to my website, get over there now and have a look. Plus, if you're ever looking for recipes, it's a great place to start. I've been in the cooking business for over 2.5 decades. Here's a photo of me looking very young and oh so serious. But after all this time in professional kitchens, I started to become weary of A, the hours, because they're bloody long, so if there's anyone out there thinking of becoming a chef, it is hard graft. But after them 2.5 decades of me working in kitchens, I saw so much food going in the bin, going to waste, and just generally, you know, people thinking that they have to have super fancy stuff to eat well. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to put all my skills and all my knowledge into helping you guys out. So, as this is the start of the year, I want you to all get into the comments. Let me know, what do you want to learn this year? I've already got some great recipes planned, and I can't wait to share them all. So, welcome to Dishes with Del. Give me a little subscribe, or even better, put on the little bell, because then you know when I bring out a new video. Also, want to say Happy New Year to any people who are regulars here at Dishes with Del. I love you guys and always appreciate you, and I promise you we'll be back into recipes as of next week. And I will see you all soon so that we can learn together how to make some banging delicious food that tastes utterly scrumptious. I love you all, I'll see you soon, and welcome to Dishes with Del.